our mother tongue bioserically. If truly a people dearly love the tongue to them by heaven sent, they'll surely yearn for liberty, like a bird above in the firmament, because by its language one can judge a town, a barrio, and kingdom. And like any other painting, every human being loves his freedom. One who doesn't love his native tongue is worse than a food with fish and bees. And like a truly precious thing, it therefore deserved to be cherished. The Tagalog language, akin to Latin, to English, Spanish, and Angelical tongue. For God who knows how to look after us, this language He bestowed us upon. As others, our language is full, with alphabet and letter of its own. It was lost because a storm did destroy. On the lake, the Bangka in years bygone. Rizal calls on Filipino to take pride in their native language, even if it may not be as widely spoken as others. He believed that a nation that values its language is strong, as a language is an integral part of its unique identity.